I think we all know how frustrating it can be to lose something really tiny on the floor or the carpet. Might be your contact lens, your earring back, or heaven forbid, the diamond from your ring. Well, instead of crawling around on all floors for hours searching for it, there is a much easier way to find that errant article. Oh, I like that term, errant article. It flows trippingly off the tongue, doesn't it? Anyway, the trick to finding that small lost item involves using a vacuum cleaner. But no, you cried, my diamond will be sucked up into the vacuum cleaner and I'll never find it. Well, you'd be right, unless you did this first. Find an old pair of pantyhose, or if you prefer, a new pair that doesn't belong to you, and cut a leg off with a pair of scissors. Off the pantyhose, that is, like so. Now, you could also use an old knee-high if you wanted to, and then you place the leg over the wand of your vacuum cleaner. Let's just get this open here. And then you've got to pull it nice and tight over the end of the vacuum cleaner like this. And then, once you've done that, you turn the vacuum on, and you vacuum the area, and in no time at all, that missing diamond should be sucked up on the end of the wand like this. All you then is just pluck it off and put it away safely. Quick, simple, and satisfying.